There have been some students with problems accessing the Bill of Rights ranking worksheet on Teams. Students, you need to open and edit in the desktop app. That means you need to have Microsoft Word installed on your computer. There was a problem with this file having some security things added to it. We're not going to do that in the future. We thought it would be easier for you, but it seems to have caused a problem. So let me show you how to open up in the desktop app. First, you need to go into Teams and find the assignment. Here it is, and what you need to do is click on Edit Document. From there, you click on Edit in Desktop App. Once you click on that, you'll see that this pop-up will say if you trust the file or not. Don't worry, you can trust it. Click Yes. Now, this will pop up. Don't do anything else. Just let it do its thing. It's loading Word on your computer. You may also see this pop up saying that you can't edit it in the browser. That's because of the security things we had in it. So you have to make sure you are clicking Open in Desktop App. Once it opens, you'll see this. The yellow highlighted spaces are things that you can click on and choose options or that you can edit in. This is why we were having a little bit of issues, is that we wanted to make it easy so you knew where things were, but apparently it caused some computers not to work on the online version. So, what you need to do first is click on the Bill of Rights ranking worksheet on Teams, edit the document by clicking on the box at the top of the bar, clicking Edit in Desktop App, and then yes, you want to trust that file. Please read the pop-up instructions on Teams. They're there to help you. If you ignore them, you're going to get lost. And if you contact your teacher if you cannot access or download Microsoft Word on your home computer. All right, thank you. Good luck and have fun.